Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the JBL Tune 130 with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to simply charge your earbuds in the case, so use this back input for the USB-C cable and input both earbuds inside. After that, when they are charged, you have to open the case and remove both earbuds from the case. Next, on your iPhone, you have to go for the settings. You have to open the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and then select the JBL Tune. So that was the first method. We can make it by using the standard Bluetooth settings, but also we can pair them with with the application from the JBL. So we have to open the App Store. We have to go for the search pool and type JBL. We have to get this JBL headphones application, so let's download. Let's click open, accept permissions, click to get started, click accept, and OK another time. Then you have to simply scroll down and find your JBL. Okay, never mind. In this case, they automatically connect with our phone when you previously connect them by standard Bluetooth settings. So that's a good feature. Yeah, we can just skip later, and there it is. As you can see, we are connected and we can use other features of our earbuds. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.